guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I will be sharing a power hour clean with me. These are honestly my favorite videos to film for you guys and to watch. So if you guys need a little extra motivation today, be sure to clean along with me, set up a timer, and let's get as much as we can done in under 1 hour, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, however long you have. You'll be surprised how much you can get done when you have a timer, and I hope this inspires you guys to get as much as you can done. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here and enjoy watching cleaning motivation videos, motherhood and lifestyle content. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. And with all of that being said, let's get started.
Long run now, red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip, yeah, out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah, I still ball on the pitch, yeah, something wrong with the picture, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why.
So as you guys just saw, I like to start off by putting a load of laundry to wash when I first set up a timer, if I haven't done so already throughout the day, just so I knock off 2 things at once as I am cleaning. I wanted to quickly tidy up the living room since it wasn't a complete mess this time around. There was just random items here and there, like these puzzles that my boys were doing earlier and didn't pick up. I also wanted to dust off this shoe rack that we had since I hadn't done so in so long. It was so dusty. I probably should have shown you guys a little close-up of how dusty it was.
Talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash else, I just wanted him to lose you. Damn, puffing on that bullshit Uncle Sam's. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Pack up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your
So if this is your very first time watching any of my videos, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to quickly introduce myself. My name is Sydney and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom to twin almost 4-year-old boys and also a 3-month baby boy as of tomorrow. So I definitely have my hands full, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I truly enjoy sharing cleaning motivation videos for anyone that needs a little inspiration, like I do every now and then. And I also like to share lifestyle and motherhood content here on my channel. So if you enjoy, please be sure to check out my other content And also subscribe and join my family here. I would love it if you would say hi down below as well. And let me know where you are watching from.
Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Say la vie. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. Say la vie. Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow, whoa. This could be magical. Wow, whoa.
Alright guys, so now I am moving on to my dining area and kitchen. And as you guys will see in a bit, the floor was disgusting and had crumbs all over it, so it definitely needed to be swept. As you guys will see in just a bit, I will be sweeping and mopping. This table runner was actually some stains on it, so I eventually just took it off and put it to wash. And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent cleaner, and I absolutely love this cleaner, you guys. It's just a refreshing smell, and the smell definitely lingers a bit, but it's not too strong, so I definitely recommend it if any of you guys enjoy lavender. Definitely give it a try.
I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio.
Guys, so we are more than halfway through our hour, and I just have enough time to clean up the kitchen and put up the rest of the items that need to be put away. So I'm just going to be wiping down the counters, also washing some dirty dishes I had in the sink. So I hope you guys are enjoying this quick motivation I have for you guys today. Let me know down below in the comments if you are cleaning along with me. I would love to know.
something better came along. Until something better came along.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's Power Hour Clean with me, and I hope this video gave you all of the inspiration you needed to get your to-do list done alongside me. Also, if you didn't finish everything, that is totally okay. I wasn't able to finish everything on my list, but I'm so happy with everything I was able to get done within that amount of time. So definitely give yourself grace if you don't get everything accomplished. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far, and also subscribe if you are new here. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.